Hello guys, what's up everyone? It's me Jitin Joseph once again and welcome back to my YouTube channel The Secrets of IELTS. So in this video I am going to talk about how to start your IELTS preparation at home, and I am going to give you the 6 basic tips that a person requires before giving any mock test. So before you start giving your mock test, just listen to these 6 basic tips and let's get started. So many of you are trying to give IELTS this year, right? And I have seen people first jumping to mock test before strengthening their basics. This will not be the case what I am going to tell you. First, you need to strengthen your basic and watch this video till the end, and I will be telling you why I am stressing on these 6 basics. At the last I will be telling you why you need to do all these 6 things regularly so that you could clear your IELTS examination. So let's get started. So the first basic tip that I am going to give you is reading newspapers and magazines consistently. Read newspapers and magazines that are of national and international level and read it every day. It is very important to read them. Why? Because it helps you to improve your writing speed and helps you to add new words to your vocabulary. And this helps you to get an extra score in no time. Believe me, this is a proven fact that reading newspapers and magazines before solving a mock test gives you an additional benefit, gives you additional marks. So in this, I am going to tell you how to read. While trying to read a newspaper, keep 2 things in mind. The first is you should know the headings. It is very important to understand the meaning of headings given below, because headings are a favorite question of IELTS reading. The second important thing while reading newspaper is to keep the check in the word count as well as your speed. Do a detailed reading, count the number of words at the last, and then check that how much time have you taken. Improve this time day by day and it will help you to achieve good scores in IELTS. So the same goes with magazines. In the description below I have given some links related to some of the famous magazines related to literature, science, sociology, geography, history, etc. Please do read these magazines on a daily basis and find help from these magazines, because the topics related to these magazines contains complex sentences and complex vocabularies. At first you may not be able to read these magazines, but try to read daily. Within a week you will find a difference. This is a guarantee. This is proven, because people who read magazines and newspapers before giving mock tests tends to score a better bat. So the second important tip is keeping a vocabulary diary. It is very important to note vocabularies that you find in magazines and newspapers. There is a separate way for keeping a vocabulary diary. You can keep it online. How? In the comment section below you can write new words and their meanings. If someone sees your comments, he will learn from you, and in turn you will learn from someone else's vocabulary. And of course I am not also an expert in English, so I can also learn some few words. So the number 3 spot for important tip goes for watching English movies and English web series. Oh, this is interesting. Well, there is a disclaimer. I am not recommending you to watch action movies. No, you must watch thriller or drama based movies that contains English subtitles at first, then later you can remove the subtitles. If you are a regular watcher of movies, I don't think so you will have any difficulty in watching without subtitles. So the second thing is in this section is watching web series. Well, a disadvantage of web series is you need a lot of time to complete a web series. So I recommend short web series. One important one is Chernobyl. I have seen it and it's just a 5-episode one. You can watch it on any online platform which is available in your country or in your place. So this was all about watching English movies and web series. So the fourth important tip for improving IELTS score is to watch English news regularly. You must watch English news till the date you are taking your exam, because it helps you to improve your speaking score and to improve your speaking speed. It is very important when you are not able to watch movies or web series. It is because web series and movies are time-taking things, but watching 30 to 40 minutes of news daily will help you massively improve your IELTS score.
When you are listening to the news, you must always first listen to the news anchor, second look at news headings, and third keep an eye on bottom line news flashes.
So the fifth point is speak English with a friend. It is important to speak daily because speaking helps you to improve your confidence and helps you to add new vocabularies to correct tenses. Well, if you are having a difficulty in finding an English speaker, don't worry. In my next videos, I will be telling you how to do speaking effectively at home without friend as well as with a friend, and how to improve your general speaking scores. Well, this is very important. Please do watch till the end. Don't skip this video because it contains the information that are required for you to clear the IELTS examination in the first attempt. The sixth basic point is listen to podcasts or YouTube vlogs. Well, this part is skipped by most people, okay, because they find that the news is doing the work, okay, but it's not. Listening to podcast or YouTube vlogs has its own importance. It helps you to concentrate. Just close your eyes for a time and start listening to tracks. It will help you to imbibe the accent of British English as well as American English. Sometimes Australian English is also used. So it will help you to imbibe these accents. At the same time, it will help you to comprehend complex sentences. At first, you may find difficulty in comprehending some words, but in the later stage, you will be able to.
So in this table, you can see newspapers and magazines help you to improve in reading, writing and speaking sections of IELTS, but it is not a much help in listening. The same goes for vocabulary diary. In movie and web series, it helps you to improve in listening, reading and speaking, but not in writing. The same goes in English news. While we look at speaking with a friend, it helps you to improve on the speaking part only, while the podcast and YouTube vlogs are helping you to achieve good scores in listening and speaking. So no single tip is going to help you in every section. So it is very important that you follow a combination of all these 6 basic tips that I've given to you to improve your IELTS score and to improve your preparation well beforehand.
So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do share and subscribe. Push the bell notification for further updates, and the purpose for creating this video was to tell that you can start your preparation right at home by following these 6 basic tips. So if you have any doubt, any questions, please do mention in the comment section below, and till the next video, take care, bye.